Ja, so dit beteken ek gaan nie dit kan afrol nie. Okay, kom ons kyk gou-gou die tweede enetjie. It's fine, then I'll just give it to you guys tomorrow, né? Okay, kyk gou-gou. So the second example, that picture that I posted, né? It says that 120,000 was invested in the bond market for 5 years. Die rentekoers was 11,25% per jaar, kwartaalliks saamgestel, vir eerste 3 jaar, and then 9,75% per year for the last 2 years. One withdrawal. Onthou julle gister het ek gesê, sometimes we take money out. Nee, so hier is nou 'n voorbeeld daarvan. One withdrawal of 40,000 was made after 18 months. So hy haal geld uit. Nou onthou, as jy gaan uitwerk het, daai initial amount of 120,000 is gaining interest, né? Dan, sodra jy iets uithaal, then you have to subtract that amount and the interest that it would have gained. Is julle by? Ja. Waar was ek nou gewees? Okay, one withdrawal of 40,000 was made after 18 months. Calculate how much money was available at the end of the 5 years. Okay, so kom ons teken gou-gou eers ons tydlyn. We know that we have got 5 years. Okay, so daar is my 5 jaar. 2,5, so kom ons maak 2 dae. 3 dae, 4. Okay, so 4 years. 3 years, and 1 year. Okay, right. Initial amount was 120,000. Luister gou oukies. Please remember, né? Usually when we do a line, we start at 1. Nee, maar onthou, jy kan nie hierdie bedragie gaan skryf by 1 nie, want hy moes vir daai jaar rente getrek het. Okay? So onthou, dis nou 'n simpel dingetjie, maar ek is net bang uit gewoonheid begin skryf julle hom by 1. Okay. So it must be at 0. Right, then for 5 years, interest rate was 11,25% per year quarterly for the first 3 years. Okay, so from here up until there, gaan hy wees 0,1125, so 11,25 compounded quarterly. Nee, okay. En dan 9,75 vir die laaste 2 jaar. Okay, so for the last 2 years, 9,75, and also quarterly, because they didn't tell me that that is necessarily changing. Nee, so hy bly net so. They just said that the interest rate changes. It stays compounded quarterly. Dan, sê hulle hier vir my, one withdrawal of 40,000 was made after 11 months. Nou waar's dit? 18 maande is hoeveel jaar? 'n jaar en 'n half. Okay, so met ander woorde, ek gaan hierso by 1,5 gaan ek hê minus 40,000. Nee, I'm withdrawing 40,000. Okay, so kom ons gaan kyk gou-gou hoe gaan ons hierdie skryf. I need to work out what would be left after the 5 years. Alright, so, vergeet gou-gou eers van die withdrawal. We have one amount that was put into an account, and that was for 5 years. So kom ons werk gou uit, hoeveel sou hy gewees het, as ek net ingesit het en hom gelos het vir 5 jaar. So, A would be, I start off with 120,000. Okay, so 1 plus I, 0,1125 compounded quarterly, but that is only for the first 3 years, and again times 4. Nee, okay, dan, die antwoord van daai, gaan ek nou nog weer laat rente trek for the next 2 years, this part. Nee, okay, so just another bracket, 1 plus I, which is 0,0975, op 4, and that is for 2 years, want is van 3 tot by 5. Is julle reg? Okay. So soos wat ek hom nou daar het, like I have it there. If I were to say equal to and get the final answer, that would be what I get when I deposit the 120,000 en hy trek net rente vir 5 jaar. Maar, nou kom die stukkie van die withdrawal in. So because we're withdrawing, I'm going to say minus, right, so kom wys nie my minus nie, minus 40,000 and then because it was deposited at 1.5, that was supposed to, onthou want hierdie 40,000 het ek nou klaar uitgewerk, het rente getrek, so hy was deel van nou 120,000, nee. So now I can't just say minus the 40,000, I must subtract the 40,000 and the interest it made here, and the interest it made there. Maak dit vir julle sin? Okay, goed. So jy praat gou vir my, hierdie eerste stukkie, that part, from 1.5 up until 3, how many years? 1.5, nee, okay, so ek gaan sê, 1 plus 0,1125 compounded quarterly en dan 1, kom skryf, sorry, 1,5, kan julle nog daai sien? Times 4, nee? You guys can't see it on that screen. 1,5 times 4. The times 4 is off the board. Is julle reg? Goed. And then, same as what we had over here, times, en nou moet ek gou daai laaste stukkie rente trek. You guys probably have the space, I just don't, so have your bracket at the end, né? Is julle by? Okay. 1 plus 0,0975 over 4, en dit is vir 2 jaar maal 4. You guys can't see that. Maar gelukkig julle het dit op die bladsytjie. Is everyone fine with that? Okay. So verstaan almal die konsep dat jy nie net die bedrag wat jy onttrek kan minus nie. You guys are good with that? Okay. Right. Then we can get a final answer. Laat ek net gou sien. Ek het hier, maar ek gaan sommer skip na die direkte bedrag. So 145,676,44 cents. Okay, laat ek hoor. Would you guys be able to do this? Yeah. Okay, good. I'll skip back just now if anyone is maybe still copying. So, still grade 11 book. We are still busy with exercise 2, and that is on page 249. You guys are going to quickly do number 5, 6, and 7. Okay, maar dit is gou